Ladies and gentlemen, email marketing is finally here on Uzanga. You've chances that I am 99.9% you've seen a promotional email in your inbox. You've either gotten an email from Uber, from Bolt, from Glovo, or any of the services that you use out there. So you yourself, with your business on Uzanga, you can also send promotional emails to all your customers, and keep your business at the top of their minds. Because, you have to, apart from just posting content on social media, you need to directly reach out to your customers and remind them about things, or use this to announce your offers. Now, you're probably there wondering whether Kenyans open their emails. Well, I am here to confirm to you as a true witness, and we'll actually be using this feature, Uzanga, ourselves. So we will be posting proof that Kenyans actually open their emails and they click on the links that you send them. So this is how you go about using promotional emails. So first of all, promotional emails is a paid service, so you need to subscribe to it. It goes for 500 shillings per month. With 500 shillings per month, you can send up to 50,000 emails for the entire month, and that's a lot, and if you work smart with this, you can group different customers into segments. You can have a segment with hot leads. You can have a segment with people who are interested in a specific product. You can have different segments, and now work smart and target different emails to the different group of kinds of customers you have, right? So let's start again. You go to promotions, next promotional emails. So for my case, I've already paid for it and activated it. But let's switch to another business. Let's say kitchen storage. This is what you need to do. You need to click on start email access, then follow the procedure. So next is, if you have cash in your wallet, you can use the cash in your wallet to pay for it, or you can decide to create a payment intent, and now it will redirect you to the page for paying, and you'll be able to activate email marketing for your business. So let's switch back to School of Uzanga. And now, after you've activated your email, the service, this is how you go about it. So for our case, we're going to announce a Black November offer. So we're going to say announcement, then the subjects. Now, a keynote: make your subject as brief but as attractive as possible. So if you can't think of something nice, just leverage resources like ChatGPT to come up with something that will get the attention of your your customers, because this is the subject. An example of a subject is this: Jordan 4 is back in stock. If I'm someone who's been wanting that Jordan 4, and I see that that as the subject in my email, in my inbox, I'm going to open that email immediately for sure. Chances are high. So for us, we're just going to say, good news, our Black November sale is live, right? Now, when it comes to the email itself, you can decide to write either a simple paragraph, a simple, just a simple paragraph or paragraphs without any buttons or links. Or you can decide to write your own custom HTML. So you can work with either another service like ChatGPT or something to come up with nice HTML, a nice HTML body, then now have some fallback text in case the client doesn't render the HTML. Then now you can also opt for a structured way of writing this email. So for our case, we'll go with a structured email. So we'll say Black November is live. That's going to be my heading. Then we're going to say yeah, we'll just leave it at shop now. Then we can do our website's link. So let me copy our website's link, paste it there. Then now we say, hey you, we know you've been waiting for this. School of Uzanga's Black November sale is finally live. Then we'll say tap in twin. Right now, next what we do is, oh, and also check the target. This is where you set the audience or then which customers you want this email to go to. Okay, so you can decide to either use all the opted in customers, or you can decide to do a specific customer segment, or a specific customer tag, or a specific restock batch. A restock batch means those customers who've opted in to be notified when a specific variant or product is back in stock. Okay, so for my case, I'm going to say a customer segment, then we'll say just as. So for my case, I think I've set myself as a tester. So let's see, let's estimate. Yeah, this should be mine. Good, that's okay. So let's go ahead and create it and send it. So let's say Black November is live. So this is how we check if this email has been sent for sure. It's supposed to be in the sent tab, not delivery queued, not queued. It's supposed to be in sent. If it's in the sent tab, we know that the email has been sent for sure. So it's been sent to this email, atamanyonge22. Nice. So here's the email. Hey you, we know you've been waiting for this. School of Uzanga's Black November is finally live. Tap in, right? So now if we click on this, it's going to take us to what's it called? Our website as we intended the email. And now the email has this feature has some analytics. So you can see that, you can see how many people clicked on it, how many people opened the email. So since I opened and I clicked, we should see 1. So you can see that it was clicked and it was opened, right? So I really want you to take advantage of this feature because it's a really powerful feature, right? So subscribe to the email feature, and I can't wait to see the amazing campaigns that you guys do. So with that, thank you for your time, and I'll be seeing you on the next one.